Okay guys, we're talking day number 36. We're going through the proposal, and it's really, really important that you've set the stage and you follow your flow with the customer. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna show that flow, and we're gonna do a proposal presentation right now. So my job is really, really simple. It's to show you your design, show you your savings, and help you get on to the next step. Okay?
Got it.
So I'm really, really excited about your design right here. It looks really, really good. If you can orientate yourself right here, you've got, here's your driveway right here, front door. Here's one side of your roof that's facing that direction. And here's the back side of your roof right here and a few roof vents. The engineers just determined that it was best to have your panels on the back part of your roof. And I think it looks really, really good like this. What do you think about that layout right there?
Yeah, it looks great.
Okay.
I like that it's on the back side of the roof.
Is there anything about this? This is like your chance to red pen it. Is there anything about that you specifically don't like or have any questions about?
No.
Okay. It's a really pretty simple layout, and I think it looks really, really good after, I've looked at a lot of these proposals, and we've done a lot of systems, and it's a really simple, clean design. So what we've done with your power bill, your annual consumption on your power bill is 5,780 kilowatt hours of power. So what we've done is match that so that 14 panels is going to cover 100% of your electricity consumption, and actually maybe even just a little bit more. I think it's about 102%. So I feel like a lot of people are pretty conservative on their power. Do you feel like you're, like with solar, are you going to be planning on using a little bit more power? Would you keep your house a little bit cooler than you normally have?
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, I mean, if it made sense, we could.
Okay. Most people.
Paying for it.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Kind of feels like a little bit more fun. I feel like when you have solar and you don't feel so constricted with keeping the temperature of your home in the summertime really hot.
AC a couple degrees.
Yeah. Okay. So here's the months right here. So January, February, March, April. Okay. This green graph, or this green bar right here, is how much power you used last year during the same time. And the yellow line is how much power your system's going to be generating. So you can see that it's overproducing quite a bit during these months right here. Do you know why that is?
Sun's out.
Yeah, the sun's out really, really strong, and you're not using as much power because these are some colder months right here,
Yeah.
and March, April, May, it doesn't look like you're using much AC, which is very normal. But then come June, July, August, it really ramps up and your power bill gets really expensive, right?
Yeah. That's really expensive.
Okay, so the cool thing about this is that all of this is overproduction, and your meter on the side of your house is going to be storing this electricity for you to use later on in the year when it's underproducing because you're using so much power in September, keeping your house nice and cold.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So that's what's really cool about having the net meter, is that it keeps track of all that for you. And the power company sends you a statement keeping track of those credits. And it's a seamless, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to manage it. You don't have to do anything with it. It takes care of it for you.
Awesome.
Cool. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Yeah, it does.
Okay, great. Okay, so like we were saying, your solar offset, meaning your solar production, is 102%. And that's going to allow you to use just a little bit more power than you have in the past. And a really great thing is that it comes in at $71 a month. So it's a really good, like we've talked about in the book before, when we're going over the initial product, is that it's a flat, simple payment. So $71 a month is your flat, fixed payment, and you're going to be saving, if your utility rate didn't increase ever, your savings is $7,000 just on the utility expense. It's probably going to be more like 20 or it's going to be probably quite a bit more if utility rates keep going up. What do you think the utility company is going to do? Is it going to, would you say it's going to stay the same or go up in the future?
And it's gone up since I've lived in this house, so it'll probably still continue to go up, I imagine.
That's what I think too. And that means your savings is going to be more than this.
Yeah,
Pretty cool, huh?
love that.
Yeah. Do you have any questions about this part?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. Okay, so total cost is this right here. Your federal tax credit is $4,472 and your state tax credit is $1,200, okay? So that makes your net system cost this right here, which is way better than the $25,000 or $30,000 to the utility company. So that's why a lot of people are doing it. Does that make sense?
Yeah, so I pay the $71 for how much longer? I mean, until I pay off
Yep.
until I pay that off.
Exactly. Yeah. With your tax credits applied to the total amount, you're only paying off this amount right here, and that's what the $71 is paying off right here.
Okay.
So your utility bill, as long as you don't use a ton more power, you're not going crazy and using way more power, then your power bill is going to show a $6 meter fee, and that's it. Okay. $71 is paying this off right here, but that's eliminating your cost of electricity per month
Okay.
with that flat fix, 71 bucks.
Okay. So how do we do what's the loan? How does that look? Is that
It's so simple. Yep. So 20-year, $399 fixed rate, and we just need to see if you qualify. So it looks like you qualified.
Good.
That's great. Yeah. So excited for you. It's awesome.
Yeah.
Definitely. Okay. So we'll go on to the next steps. So the process is we've done the savings report. You're approved. That's great. We're going to take care of the documents on your iPhone or your laptop. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to schedule your site survey. That's probably going to be done. The next available is probably going to be the first of next week. And we'll make sure we work around your schedule. But do you think someone's going to be available Monday, Tuesday?
Yeah, I can be around.
Okay. It's pretty fast too. It's 30 to 45 minutes where we take a look at your attic, we take a look at your meter, and we just make sure a few things are good for the building permit. And then it's gonna be in the engineering and the building permit process for a little bit. And then we'll get you installed and we'll turn the system on.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's really great. End of day 35. I hope you guys feel comfortable in using the RDX Solar Proposal book and following the process of the proposal so that you can just go out and confidently use these tools to follow your flow and capture more customers.